Hello everyone, welcome to the Mechanism channel. Today's topic is virtual condition or VC. Virtual condition or VC is a concept in geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, often referred to as GD&T. It refers to a boundary condition that a part feature must not violate to ensure proper assembly or fit. It combines the effects of size and geometric tolerances, like position or form, to define the extreme permissible limit of a feature under manufacturing conditions. Virtual condition explained. Virtual condition is most commonly applied to features like holes, shafts, or mating parts, where the combination of size and positional tolerance impacts the assembly of the parts. It establishes the maximum or minimum allowable boundary for a feature, considering both the size variation and any associated geometric tolerance. For internal features such as holes, the virtual condition is the largest allowable size of the hole, known as maximum material condition or MMC, minus the positional or geometric tolerance. Let's look at an example for holes. Consider a hole with a nominal size of 10 millimeters. The maximum material condition or MMC is 9.8 millimeters, which is the smallest hole size allowed. The positional tolerance is plus or minus 0.1 millimeters. So, the virtual condition or VC for the hole is calculated as MMC minus the positional tolerance. That gives us 9.8 millimeters minus 0.1 millimeters, which equals 9.7 millimeters. This means the center of the hole must stay within a boundary of 9.7 millimeters to ensure proper function. Now, for external features like shafts. For these features, the virtual condition is the smallest allowable size of the shaft, which we call the maximum material condition or MMC, plus the positional or geometric tolerance. Let's consider an example for shafts. Imagine a shaft with a nominal size of 20 millimeters. The maximum material condition or MMC is 20.2 millimeters, which is the largest shaft size allowed. The positional tolerance is plus or minus 0.1 millimeters. So, the virtual condition or VC for the shaft is calculated as MMC plus the positional tolerance. That gives us 20.2 millimeters plus 0.1 millimeters, which equals 20.3 millimeters. This means the shaft must stay within this virtual boundary of 20.3 millimeters to fit properly. The purpose of virtual condition is multifaceted. First, it plays a crucial role in assembly control. It ensures that parts will assemble or fit together properly, even at the worst case limits of size and geometric tolerance. Next, it defines the worst case boundary. This boundary specifies the worst case condition that can exist while still maintaining functionality or assembly, especially when multiple parts need to fit together with clearances or interference. Lastly, virtual condition is essential for tolerance management. It helps manage tolerances in a way that provides flexibility during production while ensuring part performance and interchangeability. Virtual condition formula. For internal features like holes, the virtual condition is calculated as follows. Vc equals the MMC size of the hole minus the geometric tolerance. That's Vc equals the MMC size of the hole minus the geometric tolerance. For external features like shafts, the virtual condition is calculated differently. Vc equals the MMC size of the shaft plus the geometric tolerance. Again, that's Vc equals the MMC size of the shaft plus the geometric tolerance. Relation to maximum material condition, or MC. Maximum material condition, or MMC, is the condition of a part where it contains the most material. For example, the smallest hole or the largest shaft. Virtual condition uses the MMC size to define the allowable boundary for the feature, considering both size and geometric tolerance. Summary of virtual condition, or VC. For a hole, the virtual condition is the smallest permissible size, considering the worst case combination of size and positional or geometric tolerances. For a shaft, it's the largest permissible size, considering the worst case combination of size and positional or geometric tolerances. Virtual condition is essential in ensuring that parts will always fit together properly during assembly, even when the parts are manufactured with tolerances close to their worst limits. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Happy learning.